since mask up the ceiling, because I'm going to paint now. I'm not sure if that's going to take that paint off that ceiling, because I only painted it yesterday. So I'm going to try and get it quicker as I can on there. All I'm going to do is just cut around the line with my roller, one hit all the way around. Make sure everything is alright, and then take my tape down. I don't want it up there longer than necessary. Alright, here's my paint. Put it out. Here's my roller. Slap some of that on there. Okay, getting ready. Right, now I'm going to show you how to put paint on your roller. It may sound simple, but I whipped this up a while ago. That let me show you. Right, I'm just cleaning it off, don't worry about it. Right, dip your roller in your paint. Yeah. You don't want to be doing that. As I've just whipped this, yeah?